What does a $500,000 SUV actually give you that every other luxury vehicle can't? Because the Rolls-Royce Cullinan isn't just expensive transportation, it's a very deliberate experiment in how far automotive engineering can push the concept of luxury. The Cullinan is Rolls-Royce's flagship SUV, a massive, ultra-refined machine built around a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 producing roughly 563 horsepower. And if you step into the higher-end black badge versions, the price can easily reach $560,000 or more, depending on customization. But here's the interesting part. This vehicle wasn't designed simply to compete with luxury SUVs, it was designed to redefine what effortless driving feels like, even in an era filled with high-performance electric cars and advanced autonomous tech. So the question becomes, what does Rolls-Royce believe the future of luxury mobility should feel like? Look at the Cullinan's design philosophy. Instead of chasing aggressive styling or track-level performance, the engineers focused on something much harder to quantify: perceived effortlessness. The massive V12 isn't really about speed. It's about silent authority, power that's always available without ever feeling dramatic. Press the accelerator, and the vehicle moves with this almost surreal smoothness. No sudden bursts, no urgency, just controlled momentum that's intentional. Rolls-Royce engineers often talk about creating a magic carpet ride, and the Cullinan's suspension system constantly analyzes road conditions to maintain that sensation, even off-road. Which raises an interesting contradiction. Most owners will probably never take a $560,000 luxury SUV across sand dunes or rocky terrain, but the capability exists, almost like a philosophical statement. It says, luxury shouldn't mean limitations. Another fascinating detail is customization. Almost every Cullinan leaving the factory is unique. Paint colors can be created specifically for one owner. Interior materials are selected almost like commissioning a piece of furniture or art. So the car stops being a product and starts behaving more like a manufactured artifact. But here's something worth thinking about. In a world moving toward electric mobility and autonomous driving, where software defines the experience, does handcrafted mechanical luxury still matter, or does it become even more valuable because it's rare? That debate is already happening across the automotive industry. If you enjoy exploring how technology, design, and engineering shape the future of mobility, consider subscribing to Future Tech Zone for more deep dives like this. Because the Cullinan raises a bigger question than horsepower or price. When technology keeps making machines faster and smarter, will the ultimate luxury actually be something simpler? A machine that makes everything feel effortless?